I'm Father Ray Atwood, and I'm here to present the latest podcast called 4 Minutes with Father. This is a little card from the Guiding Star Center in Waterloo. It is a center devoted to holistic education on fertility, pregnancy, and birth services, as well as postpartum care, lactation counseling, and more services to enable men, women, and their families to plan children as well as to care for them. And I wanted to use this as an introduction to the topic I'm going to discuss briefly with you today. And that is natural family planning, or NFP. NFP is the only officially approved method of birth control. It is a constant teaching of the church that artificial contraception is intrinsically evil. And natural family planning is a means for men and women, husbands and wives, to plan their families in a safe and moral way. So I wanted to talk about 3 reasons for NFP. But first, I wanted to give a shout out before we begin to 4 of our 4th graders who are wonderful servers: Seth, Aaron, Drew, and Colin, students here at Sacred Heart, who wanted me to give a shout out for them today. So there you go, guys. So there's 3 reasons for using NFP. The first is that it is side effect free. Hormonal birth control has many side effects. In fact, one doctor estimated there are 150 ways the birth control pill affects the body. Almost all of them are negative, and other means of artificial contraception have terrible side effects as well, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. But NFP has no side effects. There are no problems with hormones or blood pressure or depression or anything associated with natural family planning. So in that sense, it is organic and healthy for you. It actually empowers rather than enslaves women. The second reason to use natural family planning, the second advantage, if you will, is that it is effective. When used properly, it is 96.8% effective, and that assumes that no one is perfect. The actual use effectiveness, when used perfectly, is the method effectiveness is 99.5%. So the use effectiveness is 96%, and the method itself is 99.5%. So it is an effective means of family planning. The third advantage, if you will, is that any woman can use it. Some forms of birth control can't be used by women in certain situations, health-wise, but natural family planning can be used by any woman at any time in her fertility cycle. And NAPRO technology is available for those who have irregular cycles, which is sometimes an excuse that couples will use for not employing natural means of family planning. So side effect free, effective, and universally available are 3 reasons to use natural family planning. It is not only safe and effective, but it is also a wholly healthy way to live. And that's the kind of discipleship our Lord expects from us. I hope this brief presentation has been helpful. God bless you and your family.